Well, look at you, Mr. Bird. Want some food? We gave him a biscuit, now he wants some more. Oh, oh. Get it? It's okay. I think he's scared. It's okay. Right on. Feeding the birds.
Oh, I was going to have to do water on that one.
Huh.
Take it.
No more. Don't want to turn you into like a diabetic or something, you know. Can't be doing that now. What a handsome bird. Show off your wings. Oh. Well, look at you. What a cutie. Got ourselves a big truck. Fun, fun, fun. I don't think he's gonna do anything. You gonna fly? Fly away, little seagull.
You zoom in on him?
Yeah, I'm zoomed. It's like I'm right on top of it.
We're in the middle of it. We're about hour's drive from the beach.
Yeah, we're like an hour away from the beach, so it's pretty trippy to see a seagull, I guess, because we're at the dam. They like the water or something. But yeah, it's pretty trippy.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for watching. I think he's going to take off. We're going to take off. It was
See
fun.
you tomorrow if you guys are here.
Yeah, right? He's like, I'll be here if you'll be here. Alright, folks. Thanks so much for watching. Hope to see you again. Later.